very super excited to welcome you to this video, because this is a super exciting video because it's a new launch of ClickAd web platform. So if you are enjoying our content in the channel, do well to subscribe and like and share this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by to check on our updates. So this is actually ClickAd honest review. Is in per click platform, which of course I want you to pay attention. Why ClickAd? And what is ClickAd? And how do you get started? All this will be addressed on this first review of the platform. So what is ClickAd? It is earn and make money online a click platform. So ClickAd is a paid to click online business module that draw online traffic from people aiming to earn money from home. So if you are someone that is dreaming to earn money from home, then ClickAd is here for you to enable you achieve that. So you can easily locate ClickAd by going to your web browser and typing clickad.com.ng. So once you type clickad.com.ng, you'll be able to be directed to this page. This is the official website. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the description of this video so you can be able to check it out. So in clickad.com.ng, one of the things that I like is it is a Nigerian kind of digital advertisement agency and is powered by eNetwork Business Solution, which is one of the top recommended ICT company in Nigeria that has been there for years. So rest be assured that this platform is 100% legit. There's no fear or any kind of doubt about the platform. So this is my honest review about this platform. So you make more than ever when you join ClickAd. Like I said in the beginning, you earn easy money here as a student or stay at home mom. You earn easy money as a student, stay at home mom. If you're a job seeker or someone looking to earn daily money in Nigeria, this platform will definitely do the justice for you. Invariably, you can earn over 50,000 naira per week here through different process, which I will quickly look at for you. What are those processes? One is PPC keyword research. So what is PPC? Pay per click. Okay, so you'll be making money from pay per click system in this platform. The next option you make is managing your PPC campaign. What it means is that you can run your adverts here on ClickAd and then get engagement for your next business. Okay, so you can also track all your performance of your adverts in real time using this platform. You can also make money from the referral contest, which is mind-blowing. So I'm going to be making reviews upon reviews about this platform. So stick around and join early because this is actually a new branded platform. So the platform is here to enable you earn massively. So let me look briefly about the packages of ClickAd. So what are the packages and how does ClickAd really works? Pay very good attention so that you get the juicy part of this mind-blowing program, because I may not necessarily make a registration in this video, but I'm just like surfacing and presenting the platform for you. Now when you sign up in ClickAd, you'll be given free bonus, welcome bonus of around 100 naira for just registration. So, and not only that, once you sign up, this package, which is the first package here, you will be given completely free package of free click. So this particular package will be given for free. So invariably you are going to be making money even without spending any money on this platform. So your daily limit on this is 3 PTC. So what is PTC? PTC is cost per click. Okay, so how many click of ad revenues are you entitled on this? Is just 3. So referral bonus is you can't be able to refer any person on this package. Your plan is what? 200 naira, and it is valid for what? 2 days. So you are going to be enjoying this platform for completely free for the next 2 days. That will enable you to understand how the platform works in general. So what does ClickAd really mean? It is a click by in platform, just like I said earlier. But one good thing about this platform is that every clicks you do on this platform makes you money. So it's not like any of these platforms that do not really pay. This platform pays a lot. So I want to join using the link in the description of this video. So once you're able to be comfortable and understand how the platform works, then you can decide to start with either the starter pack, which is 1,000 naira. So the start pack is 1,000. So and here, once you start with that, you'll be able to have a daily limit of 5 clicks in every day, and then you can be able to. This package is 1,000 naira, but in terms of referral, you cannot be able to earn from referral. The package is valid for 15 days. The validity is 15 days. So every day you'll be given 5 tasks to earn from, and once you complete those tasks, you'll be able to earn money. So I'm going to be revealing most of these tasks for you in the upcoming series, but check my video upcoming series on this, and then get started by using the link in the description of the video to start right away. So once you are comfortable, you can be able to upgrade to the next package, which is the basic pack. Okay, so this basic pack will give you a full participation rights to the platform. So the basic pack here costs 1,005. Then you'll be given 10 clicks every day, so which is very mind-blowing. And then you'll be able to refer someone and earn from first level referral commission. We are going to be looking at referrals. How is referral done in this platform? But this is just like a comprehensive presentation about it. So plan price is 1,500. The validity is 15 days. Once after 15 days, the system will not be able to give you that room to enjoy this benefit, or you have to renew the package. So the reseller pack is a very mind-blowing one, and this package here will enable you to enter the system with 3,000, while the daily limit is 20%. Okay, 20 PTC. I mean, so that's 20 clicks, and then you are going to be earning from level 1 to level 2 on this package. The package is valid for 30 good days. So you'll be enjoying this for the next 30 days, which is very, very good. So that one is 3,000. Then while the premium pack is 10,000, the premium pack will give you ability to get started. Or here you are going to be enjoying 50 clicks per day. You are earning from level 1 to level 3. The package is valid for 50 days. While the VIP is 15,000. Then here you are going to get 100 clicks every day, while you earn from level 1 to level 4 in this package. While the package here is valid at the moment of recording this video is 60 days. Why I usually said at the moment, because there may be some changes the company may make across each packages. So take note of this. So executive pack here is the one of 30k, and then here you are going to get 250 clicks every day, while you earn from level 1 to level 5, and then the package is valid for 100 days. I believe you are getting the pictures and the differences between each of the packages, because that is really what makes the difference. So the next package here is the manager pack, which of course this manager pack is 70k, and the daily clicks is 300 clicks. And then why you can aim from level 1 to level 5, where the package is valid for one, I think this is supposed to be 120 days, okay, not 1002, please. It's 120 days, just like a typo error there. So this is how the platform works. Now, one good aspect of the platform is that you can advertise your product and services on ClickAd. Okay, so if you go to the footer of the site, you see that we are #1 Nigerian digital advertising agency firm. I believe you are getting it. It means that you can be able to run your ad in the platform. So it's not like maybe just for you to in the platform. You can run your advert, which we are going to be covering in the upcoming series in this channel. So don't miss each of these episodes by not subscribing to the channel and turn up the bell notification icon. And you can earn per click a revenue platform, just like as I earlier explained each of the packages. You can advertise your product and services. To a large number of readily available publishers. I believe you are getting it, to increase footprint in your business. So get started. Use the link in the description of this video to sign up right away, and then we are going to be able to explain how how to get started really works in the upcoming series. I'm gonna see you in the very next one. Thanks and God bless.